Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. That sounds so cliche. What's up y'all? It's Amber Symone coming back with another hair tutorial. So this is what we're about to do today. I've been rocking my natural hair since 2015. Of course, prior to that, I was wearing my natural hair. However, I was flat ironing it. I was doing everything I shouldn't have been doing to my hair. And my curls were shot. So now my curls are alive, they are revived. I've been waiting to see the day, and today in 2020 I can finally say that I can rock a wash and go. I can rock a twist out without the ends looking stringy, and I want to show you guys how I do my twist outs. So to begin with, I did wash my hair before I came here, so that's why I'm rocking these Pippi Longstocking pigtails, as you can see. But I'm going to show you what you will need, or at least what I use. I am doing the LOC method, and the things I'm using for that, I have jojoba oil here. I will also be using my Cream of Nature mango and shea butter leave-in. I will also be using my argan oil. It's a mousse. And I feel like this creates so much definition and defines the twist out once it's actually, you know, out of my head. But this is what I'm using here. And then this part is optional. I use it sometimes, but lately I have not been wanting to use it only because I don't really need to. The last time I did my twist out, I didn't use it and my hair was like out to here and the curls were super defined. Even when I do use this, it's amazing, but I don't want to put too much product in my hair. So this is optional. However, I did used to put this in my twist outs before. Alrighty y'all, let's get started. So I'm just gonna unbraid these here. As you can see, ooh, it's, oh my gosh, it smells so good. So really quick, not the conditioner, the shampoo that I did use, it's the Cream of Nature mango and shea butter shampoo, and it's hydrating, and with my hair being so dry sometimes, I love it. Wow, guys. You see why I had to put it in a bun. No, you see why I had to put it in a braid. So how I'm going to start this is I don't do anything, you know, crazy, funky, fun, whatever. I'm just going to unbraid this side as well because you do want to define your part before you start this entire process. This is what I'm rocking with, guys. I love my hair so much. No regrets. The big chop in 2015 was the best decision I made in 2015. Okay, so now I never wear my part on this side, but this is kind of cute. Maybe let's switch it up. You know, life is short. Now I'm going to split this down the middle. If I were able to see the back of my head right now, that part is so crooked. I'm gonna take one of my little scrunchies, and I'm actually gonna put it in a bun. Boom. I'm gonna start with one side. Oh, did I just snatch my earring out? Dang. Maybe it wasn't meant to be. So first, I'm gonna start with my leave-in. And I have about this much on my hand. And I'm gonna rub this into the bottom half of my hair. Okay, like I said before, you don't have to use a comb. Finger combing is the best thing. However, I am gonna use my Denman brush just to define those curls a little bit more once they come out of the twist out. Next, I'm going in with the Kinky Curly. This is the curling custard. So my natural hairstylist has changed my life forever because, guys, like, I absolutely love this gel. Like, I've never had a gel that actually does this well on my hair. And she put it on my natural hair and let it air dry, and that was the first time in a very long time I was able to use. See, I already did this backwards. I had just put that gel in my hair. I should have put the oil. See, let me not front like I always do this in order. Let me not. Now that I already did this first piece backwards, let me just show you what the curly custard just did to my hair. Going in with a little bit of oil, Gonna rub that on this piece down here. And then lastly, I'm gonna put some mousse in it just to add a little extra shine. Going in with my Denman and brushing this bad boy through. So you don't want your pieces to be too small. So I am splitting this one in half because it would honestly be too thick. And the thicker the piece is, for me, the longer the dry time. So I'm just gonna make it a little bit smaller. We're gonna twist it up. And then I'll zoom in on the next piece so you can see exactly what I do. And then maybe this time I'll do it in order, but whatever. You take these two pieces, wrap them around each other, just keep wrapping them around each other. So I'm gonna show you guys everything I do up close, and then I'm probably gonna speed through the entire thing and then dry my hair a little bit and then poof it out. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so it's been some time now. I've completed my twist out. If you want your hair to dry overnight, which is the smartest option, definitely go for it. However, I have somewhere to be tonight and I need these things to dry within the next 2 to 3 hours. So what I'm going to do, I have this little drying mechanism that I got off of Amazon. I'm going to connect it to my blow dryer and I'm probably gonna sit here for maybe an hour with this thing on my head and hopefully my hair completely dries. So I'm gonna put this thing on. This is what I'm working with. It looks like this here. This is my blow dryer. I've had this bad boy for quite some time now. Ever since I was in college. I've been out almost a year. So let's do this. I'm gonna take this piece, strap it onto my head. Okay. And I'm not gonna put it on the highest setting because I'm not trying to burn myself. Like, these things definitely get pretty hot. I'm gonna undo that one because I can't really breathe. Okay. All right, so I'm just gonna turn this on. The heat is going to be on medium, and then I'm gonna turn the setting all the way up just so it works faster. Okay, it is now 7:42 p.m. I started this around 5 p.m. So my hair should be fully dry. Like, I sat under the dryer, definitely not an hour because my ears were starting to burn and it was kind of uncomfortable. But I sat underneath it for about 30 minutes. So take your oil that you used to put in your hair before, put a little bit of it on your hands, just so you can untwist the hair and untwist the strands. Let's do this. So the twist out was a success and it's all dry. Like, I actually have never tried just drying it with the dryer. I usually do overnight, but I'm really happy that I waited and tested this out. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how I make my hair bigger. Usually over time it gets bigger itself. Right now it's so small, but I really love volume. So, all right, team. So this is what I'm working with currently. Let me go in and put my mirror in front of me so I don't make my hair too frizzy. Over time, like, what I notice is after a day, my hair usually gets bigger. Like right now, it's full of product, which is not a bad thing at all, but it's a fresh twist out. And when I sleep on it, I just notice it just gets bigger over time. So I'm gonna start from the bottom, just making sure that I'm unraveling every strand. This came out very pretty, very, very pretty. All right, so that's it. This is my twist out routine going into 2020. I feel like this is the easiest thing for me to do so far. Like, not too many products were used. My hair feels very lightweight. It moves, like, I love it. And then of course, like I said, day 2, I honestly love it more than day 1 because right now it's still almost perfect, and I don't really like perfect hair. I want it to be a little messy. I want it to be big. I want my roots stretched out. So that's where I'm going with this. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to drop some pics in here of my after look today because I'm actually going somewhere. So I want to drop photos of how my hair looks with a cute little top on, you know, but I will put that in there later. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Amber Symone. I'll catch you guys next time. Love you. Peace.